Hey guys, finally he sleeps here, and I want to show you today this goofy ass thing that is on my head is probably our favorite new toy here at the shop, and we use it constantly. What it is it's a light bar, but it's pretty unique in the fact that it has multiple lights. There is an LED light across the top that has multiple modes, and then there are these lights on the side with multiple brightness. But beyond that, there is also a motion activated sensor so that you don't have to always just turn it on. You can use the motion sensor. It is unbelievable. Sticks to the head, it's adjustable, and it's rechargeable. So, I mean, we're using it from everything from wrapping to just anything where we need a quick light to be able to gain access to what we're seeing, and it's comfortable. Just thought I would put it out there because as dumb as it looks on your head, this thing has been amazing. In fact, we all now have two a piece because the charge lasts a couple of hours, but if we're working on a project for 6-7 hours, we have one on the charger and then we swap it out when it dies. It's that good. That's it. Hope this helped. Finally, he sleeps. Make sure you subscribe here at YouTube. It does look stupid, but it works. Damn, it works.
Appreciate you guys supporting the channel. Thanks for watching the video. If you're looking for more car related content, make sure you subscribe here on the GearHeads channel. If you're looking for video game stuff, we've divided YouTube up into 4 different channels. Over there, you'll see the link for FC Mobile, Raid Shadow Legends, and then GearHeads for a few laughs. It's basically where we make fun of the alpha male.